In the given figure, we have to find the value of x. So let's begin by looking at the right triangle CMN. Since this is a right triangle, we can apply the Pythagorean theorem, which tells us that the square of the hypotenuse equals the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Here, the hypotenuse CM is 4, side MN is 3, and side CN is unknown. So we can write CM squared equals CN squared plus MN squared. Now let's substitute the known values. 4 squared equals CN squared plus 3 squared. 4 squared is 16 and 3 squared is 9. So we get 16 equals CN squared plus 9. Now subtract 9 from both sides to isolate CN squared. That gives us CN squared equals 16 minus 9, which is 7. Taking the positive square root, because a length cannot be negative, we get Cn equals the square root of 7. Notice that the diagram tells us An is equal to Cn, so An is also the square root of 7. Now we can find the entire length, AC. Since point N lies between A and C, AC equals An plus Cn. That is square root of 7 plus square root of 7, which simplifies to 2 multiplied by the square root of 7. Up to this point, we have found all the lengths we need. If you're enjoying this explanation so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel because it really helps us create more mathematics lessons like this. Now let's move to the next step. We are going to compare triangle ABC and triangle CMN. Notice that angle ABC is equal to angle CMN, and we call this angle theta. Also, angle ACB is equal to angle CNM, and both of these are 90 degrees. Since two corresponding angles are equal, the triangles are similar by the angle-angle similarity criterion. The important idea behind similar triangles is that corresponding sides are proportional. So we can write AB divided by C, M equals AC divided by Cn. Now, let's substitute the values we know. AB is x, Cm is 4, AC is 2, multiplied by the square root of 7, and Cn is the square root of 7. This gives us x divided by 4 equals 2, multiplied by the square root of 7 divided by the square root of 7. Notice what happens here. The square root of 7 appears in both the numerator and the denominator, so they cancel out, leaving us with x divided by 4 equals 2. Finally, multiply both sides by 4 to isolate x. This gives x equals 4 multiplied by 2, which is 8. Therefore, the value of x is 8. If this solution made the concept of the Pythagorean theorem and similar triangles much clearer, be sure to leave a comment letting me know. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting mathematics problems and detailed step-by-step solutions.